Hello YouTube, welcome back to Tommy's Gaming Channel. I'm your host Tommy Cam. In today's video, what I would like to talk to you guys a little bit about. In today's video, I would like to give you guys my top 5 tips for anybody that is planning to bring computers, like different stuff like that, on your key trip. So also, these are the 4 tips that I follow every single day if I go like over there to like West Baden, if I go check out those different areas. Like used to whenever I was a kid, I just only took myself like computers, I only took myself stuff like that. So that's a lot different now, which makes that really kind of interesting. So So, 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 so the first tip of what I recommend is you guys just go around, look up your own research in your own areas by all means. And the biggest thing on the research is of what I honestly do recommend is like pull up on your computer, like pull up your famous browser. Like my famous browser is using like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. But if I'm using my tablet over there, I either use like Google Chrome or like the Samsung browser, which is really kind of interesting by all means. And another thing, also, the biggest thing is that you guys got to understand is that listening to these different radios, like listening to these different communication, are really good for different people to listen to by all means, which is really kind of good. Now another thing is to find out information about West Baden or like French Lick or any of those. It's usually done by using their websites. And French Lick and West Baden's website is really easy to find because it is just normally at www.frenchlick.com. And both of those are for West Baden, and another one of those is for the French Lick Resort. Now, French Lick and West Baden are owned by the exact same company, which is really kind of neat with the Indiana Circle landmarks. Now, the biggest thing is to know about French Lick is they do like a really good job during Christmas. They do a really good job on helping out stuff like that. They do a really good job on like checking out the different areas, which helps out a lot whenever you guys are like immediately going through your jackpot locations, going through your different areas for like watching great TV shows and stuff. So the biggest thing is to know, it's like if you guys ever go to French Lick and if you guys have like small kids, the biggest thing is to just go over there, to go check out and just go use that like by all means. And another thing also, the biggest thing is that I gotta tell you guys, which is really big and really kind of interesting, is that number one, they got like radio scanner feeds. They used to use analog radio frequencies, but now because everything's turned away, like everything is now using analog, which is really digital, which is really really kind of interesting by all means. And another thing is, the biggest thing is of what I gotta tell you guys, which is literally just so very interesting. The biggest thing is that going to French Lick in West Baden, they got several different areas. In these several different areas, like there at French Lick in West Baden, is that they got a great Christmas atmosphere. They got several great dining venues. It's the biggest thing of all of what makes French Lick West Baden so very cool. And another thing is, I used to watch this guy every single day before Christmas. This guy is so very good. He's a photographer himself, which he uses this like his own techniques. He uses his own areas, and he uses this by all means to go check out, which is really kind of neat. Coming up on the upcoming part on this is what they use is they look around like at Fan of the Opera they play. They look around at those different areas. French Lick in West Baden also has like a really good location for anybody at all to go through to go find out. So this was like back then whenever they had like the iPhone S, the iPhone 14, the iPhone different areas, which is really kind of interesting. The biggest thing is of what I gotta tell you, and and this is really kind of interesting, is that they got several different areas that makes French Lick in West Baden really kind of special. So another thing of all that makes French Lick West Baden really kind of special is that they got several different areas that several different people can go inside and just imagine themselves to go see for themselves and go see the right stuff at Christmas. Like French Lick West Baden also does really great stuff. They have a really good pool there that's heated. They do different stuff there like every single day. So 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 sometimes it might not be your cup of tea, but just think about going there with your kids. Just think about going there and having the time of your life and just going there and just picking out like what you guys want to do every single day. And that's the reason why that French Lick West Baden is such a great option. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great day, you guys. And YouTube, I will see you guys back here tomorrow.